Hello guys, welcome to Technical MZR YouTube channel. Today I am gonna showing you that how to convert your text into voice or speech. So, guys, I hope that you have already subscribed our channel. So, let's start. Number 1. At first open your browser, then search video text to speech like me. Then just type what you want to convert to speech. Then you can select your own chosen voice.
Hello, what's up, guys? Hello.
Number 2. Search natural reader text to speech like me. Like previous, just type what you want to convert to speech.
Hello, welcome to Technical MZR.
Hello, welcome to Technical MZR.
Then click to MP3 to download your audio. So, guys, that's all for today. If you love this video, subscribe our channel and like, comment and share our videos. Goodbye.